Hello everybody, this is not a crypto expert chime again with another video. And in today's video, I wanted to go over another list that I ran across. This one is 5 blockchain projects to keep an eye on according to Daniel Phillips from BN Crypto. But before I get into the topic of discussion for today, I would like to ask that you please consider giving me a like, giving me a heart, giving me a thumbs up, giving me a subscribe, giving me a follow. I'm not going to ask you to share because it seems invasive. On my channel, I talk about blockchain technology as well as cryptocurrency. I try to keep it entertaining with the beat in the background. So on to the topic of discussion for today, which is, like I said, a list of the 5 blockchain projects to keep an eye on according to Daniel Phillips from BN Crypto. And I'm going to do this like I did the other list. I'm going to read the intro and just do different videos for each of the projects because I don't want to have it too long. And the last project on the list on BN Crypto's top 20 projects to keep an eye on is Factom. And Factom is one of the earliest enterprise-grade smart contract platforms ever launched and has been kicking about since 2014. Despite one of the first smart contract-capable blockchains, it largely failed to gain momentum, since Ethereum initially became the platform favored by smart contract and dApp developers. However, it appears that Factom may be a sleeping beast that has only just started to awaken. In November 2019, Factom won a $200,000 grant from the U.S. Department of Homeland Security to help combat import fraud and verify the digital identity of importers, its second reward from the DHS Silicon Valley Innovation Program. Likewise, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation also provided Factom a $500,000 grant in 2016 to fund the development of a prototype digitized medical record system for those living in remote regions. Beyond this, if there's one thing that's almost certain for 2020, it's that decentralized finance is going to continue rapidly gaining momentum, perhaps even exceeding the already impressive growth seen in 2019. Because of this, Factom might also be due to gain more recognition in 2020 thanks to PegNet, a decentralized network of stablecoins built on the Factom protocol. Because FCT can be burned in exchange for PFCT and pegged assets on PegNet, it stands to reason that the diminishing supply of FCT could drive up its value, while PegNet improves the liquidity of FCT tokens. As such, Factom may be due for a resurgence in the coming months. Now I am going to go to the Factom YouTube page, and on the Factom YouTube page, this is the official Factom YouTube page. They have a what is Factom, so I'm going to go on ahead and I'm going to play that video for you now, and it's going to explain a little bit more as far as what their goals are and how they plan on accomplishing this. It's a short video, and I hope that you enjoy it.
All of the world's wealth is stored in electronic records. Financial records secure our money and investment. Real estate records secure our land and homes. Citizenship records secure our taxes, our credit record, our identities. Here's where we run into trouble. These are centralized databases owned by someone we have to trust. And as some major hacks like Chase, eBay, and Target have proven, they're not very safe. Imagine if someone stole your identity or changed the deed to your house. The Bitcoin blockchain presents an amazing solution to the problem of record keeping. It's a permanent, immutable database of records secured by tens of thousands of computers across the globe. With blockchain technology, it's possible to permanently secure the world's data. However, the blockchain has some constraints. 10-minute block times and 1 megabyte block limit means it can't handle all the records we want to store on it. That's where Factom comes in. Factom is a data layer for the blockchain. Factom lets you secure millions of records on the blockchain with a single hash every 10 minutes. Factom also gives you the tools to audit all of those records in real time. With Factom, it really is possible to build safer and more secure record-keeping on a truly global scale. In a Factom world, there's no more robo-signing scandals. All financial records could be safe, permanent, and audited constantly to be truly honest. In a Factom world, you alone would own your medical records and share them only with doctors you trust. In a Factom world, you could cast your vote from anywhere, once and only once, and that vote would be ultra secure and private. Factom gives us the tools to build an amazing new world that's safe, secure, private, and honest.
So I hope that you enjoyed the video. I would also like to point your attention towards the Factom website. It's factom.com. And on it, the very first thing that you see, providing enterprise customers a blockchain-based data registry and verifiable credential model in order to keep data and processes independently verifiable. So that is the end of the BN Crypto top 5 projects for 2020 to keep an eye on. I hope that you enjoyed the list. And with that being said, folks, I hope that you're having a great morning, a great afternoon, and an even better evening.